Venkateshwar Dental College and Hospital, Chennai.
Good morning to all. I am Syed Ajmal. I am doing my first year PG in Sri Venkateshwar Dental College in Chennai. Our topic is tractor tooth buzz and light. We are going to demonstrate a device that is used to detect the changes in angulation during tooth preparation.
Technically, it has been said that parallel axial walls provide maximum retention, but it is not possible practically. There is always some difficulty in creating parallel axial walls, but it is desirable to create slight amount of convergence, that is taper, which should be within optimum degrees for obtaining maximum retention.
The precise control of diamond is essential during tooth preparation. The diamond should be oriented parallel to axial wall. If diamond is oriented more towards the tooth, the angle of convergence becomes more. It means a over tapered preparation. If the diamond is oriented away from the tooth, the undercut is formed. That means angle of divergence.
So when the angle of convergence is more, when this is an over tapered preparation, there will be loss of retention, as said by Jogson in his article. When there is angle of divergence, that is undercut being created, that will create problem with the fit of the crown. Another study was done by Lelas et al., wherein he has described about a simple method for detecting the angle of convergence as well as angle of divergence. He has put cast after tooth preparation and he has placed the lead pencil parallel to the axial wall. This was fitted to the surveyor. Then two lines were made on the occlusal aspect and on the cervical aspect, and the cast was viewed from the occlusal aspect. So we can identify the presence of undercut or excessive convergence angle by determining the relative position of these two lines. So this A, it indicates the correct optimum taper and there is no undercut. In case of B, the taper is more, it is excessive convergence angle. Here we can see the arrow mark indicates the presence of undercut. In the previous study, they have detected excessive convergence angle as well as excessive divergence angle in the cast. Here we have attached gyro sensor to the aerotor that will detect the change of angulation during tooth preparation. So this is our project, tractor tilt with buzz and light. This is a circuit. We have the aerotor. To this aerotor we have the gyro sensor attached, and over this gyro sensor we have placed insulating tape to prevent it from moisture contamination. This is the circuit box. This is the circuit box. We have the USB cable being connecting the circuit box to the laptop, or we can connect it to the charger to power it on. In the circuit box we have the bus and the LED indicator. This is the bus and this is the LED indicator. This bus will beep, the LED indicator will flash when there is change of angulation. So this will help us to check on our taper. And then we have the calibration button. This is the black color one, is the calibration button. We have used a wire to press it off. This one calibration button, the use of this calibration button is that once we press on it, we can calibrate the device and bring it to 0 degree. We have the restart button. So the use of this restart button is that we can press this restart button, and after that we can calibrate the device and we will be able to change the optimum degrees which was suggested by different authors. Different authors have suggested different optimum degree of taper in tooth preparation. For example, we have Schillingberg for the maxillary and the mandibular teeth, for the anterior teeth, for the premolar and for molar, he has suggested different taper. So according to that we can change the data input before we start the tooth preparation. So that is one of the advantage of the calibration button and the restart button in the circuit.
The 4-6 shows ideal tooth preparation with optimal taper, and it has a no LED light and has a no buzzer sound. In model, the 3-6 shows undercut preparation and it has a less taper. So when I put this, it has a LED light on and it has a buzzer sound.